Hello everybody. Weaned the young birds this morning. All 2 of them. Oh, 3, including the dropper. So yeah, I've just got home. They've been on the roof this morning. I've had the flap up. So they've had a little walk about. They've done what they want to do. The water's been up there as well. But I've just got home and I'll put this little bit of food on this tray, on the feed tray. The yellow famous feed tray. That's what I like to do. They ain't got a Scooby what that feed tray is, but they'll learn. I might just go and get a dropper now and put in here with them. Show them how to eat with it. That's what we want to teach them, so that they know every time I come home and I put the feed tray down. I've got to take my wide door off there because found a heron in the garden yesterday. Right, yeah, so I took my wide door off for now. Another problem I've got to sort out tomorrow. Anyway, put that dropper there. There we go. And then straight away the other baby dropper starts feeding it. And the tippler. So when I get home every day, I'll put food out for them on the tray so they can get what they want. But I don't put food out for them in the morning. Just once a day. That's how I like to do it. I might not even need to put that big dropper in it, the adult dropper. I might not even need to put it in it tomorrow. That other baby dropper's already know what the score is. Look at them 2 little beauties. Come on, Em. Come on. There we go. There we go. Look. Might just be picking it up, but any other ones joining in. First day of weaning. What do you reckon? Let's take that hungry bugger out. Come on. Come on, Em. Come on. See? There we go. Straight away that baby dropper's showing interest in the food. And the other 2 join in. Let's have another go. Come on, that's it. That's what we want. Feed tray means food, not necessarily a dropper. I want to teach these to see that feed tray, so they know that feed tray's food. Stick that in there for now. But yeah. Every time they see that feed tray from now on, it's the only time they're going to see food. I only put a handful of food on there. That might be too much actually, but they won't eat all that. I'll give it an hour, then I'll take that feed tray out. And tomorrow, if they're hungry, they'll come down straight away, feed out of that feed tray. I've left the lid off the drink alert. Hopefully they'll find that. I might come down later on and dunk their head in the water as well. Anyway, things to do. I'm now going to feed these ones. They've had a scoop of barley, so they're now all going to have a scoop of depurative. No, it's not depurative, this is diet. shop where I got the food from only had diet, they didn't have the purative. So that's the same stuff, that'll do. There we go. Diet mix. Stop them getting fat, won't it? Come on in. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Come on. Right. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.